Want to know how much a CNC technician earns in a year? Let's dive into this intriguing world and find out. CNC technicians, or computer numerical control technicians, are the hidden heroes of the manufacturing industry. These skilled professionals program, operate, and maintain machinery that fabricates parts and tools with precision, contributing to the world's technological advancements. Now let's talk numbers. According to Glassdoor, the average annual salary of a CNC technician in the United States is approximately $56,485. That's right, and that's not all. This figure can be supplemented with additional pay such as bonuses and commissions, which can amount to around $3,083 per year. So the total pay range for this role can stretch from $48,000 to a handsome $67,000 per year. So what contributes to the range of this salary? Let's delve deeper. Why is there such a range in CNC technician salaries from $48,000 to $67,000 per year? This question may have crossed your mind, and today we'll delve into the various factors that influence a CNC technician's salary. Experience is a significant factor. Like many other professions, the more seasoned a CNC technician is, the higher the salary. Veterans in the field have honed their skills over the years, and this expertise often translates into a higher paycheck. And speaking of skills, specialized abilities can also give a boost to a CNC technician's earnings. Those with a knack for intricate programming or advanced machine operation can command higher salaries. So continuously learning and refining your skills can indeed be a lucrative strategy. Location is another factor that can sway a CNC technician's salary. In regions where manufacturing industries are booming, CNC technicians are in high demand, and this can lead to competitive compensation packages. On the other hand, in areas with less industrial activity, salaries may be on the lower end. But wait, there's more. Beyond the base salary, CNC technicians can also earn additional pay from bonuses and commissions. These extra earnings can add up to $3,083 per year. So, the total pay isn't just about the hourly wage or annual salary. These extras can make a significant difference. Interestingly, the higher end of the salary spectrum can reach up to $67,102 per year. Now, what can one do to aim for that? Want to be on the higher end of the CNC technician salary spectrum? Well, buckle up because we're about to dive into some top tips on how to increase your earnings in this field. First and foremost, never underestimate the power of education. Most engineering roles, including that of a CNC technician, require at least a bachelor's degree. However, don't just settle for any degree. Aim for one that's relevant to your field, as it could significantly improve your competitiveness in the job market. Next, let's talk about skill-specific programs. These are courses or certifications that are designed to enhance your skills in a particular area. For a CNC technician, this could be anything from advanced programming to precision measurement. By participating in these programs, you're not just adding another feather to your cap, you're also increasing your chances of landing a higher-paying job. But what about growth and development opportunities? Well, the engineering field is known for its generous compensation packages and high demand. This means there are plenty of opportunities for you to climb the ladder and increase your earnings. Whether it's taking on more responsibility at your current job or seeking out a higher position elsewhere, the possibilities are endless. So, there you have it. A peek into the world of CNC technicians and their earnings. Who knew numbers could be this fascinating?